Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Davey. Today we're going to be going over some database management stuff, table creation and management. Hope you guys enjoy. And I'll be learning with you guys, so it'll be pretty cool. But I have all the material here, so I think it will be really helpful. Let's get into it. So here is table creation and management. Let me get my iPad so I can take some notes, but let's go. So, objectives. I missed the first slide. Identify a table name and structure. Create a new table using create table command. Use a subquery to create a new table, then add a column to an existing table. Just basic other stuff, right? We don't really need to get into all this. We'll learn it later. Okay. Wish this worked. Okay. The arrows work now. Okay, so objectives, continue to do more stuff. I think truncate and drop a table is probably the most interesting, but we'll see. I don't know. Oh, also guys, if you don't mind, let me know which camera you like better. So database table is a database object and stores data, of course, contains the columns and rows and created and modified through data definition language commands. Okay, it can contain a maximum of 30 characters, no blank spaces, begin with a letter, can contain this underscore and a number sign, must be unique and no reserved. Makes sense. Okay. So I guess these are the data types. Varchar2. Variable length of character data represents the maximum column's maximum length. Oh, so as you define a table, I guess you can also define the maximum length. There's no default size for this data type. A maximum value must be specified. This is a good idea. For example, if you're having a data column specifically for social security numbers, then n could be exactly the number for social security. Makes sense. Okay. Same care. Whatever. I don't. So variable length character data versus fixed length character data. I'm not exactly sure the difference between those two, but there must be some difference, right? Variable length. Okay, let's keep on moving. Numeric column is the P indicates precision, total number of digits, and letter left and right of the decimal position. Okay, that's pretty useful, especially if you want to truncate some of your stuff. Dates. Dang, it goes back to 4712 BC. I wonder exactly why 7 bytes are given. That's blind on like 99999 BC. Who knows? How to make this. Okay, introducing Oracle 12c. Enable storage of additional data, bytes in specific data formats. Okay. Database parameters must be enabled by an Oracle Systems Administrator. So once you're learning Oracle, make sure you do this so it'll be really good. Specifically prior to Oracle 12c, regardless of the character schematics used, the maximum size of var2 and raw is as follows. So you can only have the max of this. You can conceptually increase it to 32767 in an extended file. More about this? Okay. This is again just summary of everything, but a couple more things. Clob is single byte character data for 4 gigabytes. Dang. Raw binary, yeah. This guy's pretty interesting stuff. If you guys have any questions, make sure you leave it in the comments. I think these slides are really helpful. So, what am I yapping about? These slides are pretty trash. I gotta be the better teacher, you know what I mean? So I'm recording these sessions for you. So critique me as much as you want. All love from here. Okay. You must have create table privilege. So when you, I guess, create your account in Oracle, you have to also give yourself this create table privilege to do this. And by default, since we made Scott when setting up this whole thing, a super user, he has already that permission. So defining the columns is Something that must be enclosed in parentheses, and data types must be specific for each column. Maximum of 1,000 columns. Specify a default value for a column. I wonder what mic you're using. I wonder if you're using. Oh. Whew. That's probably. Let's see. Why is it so bad, bro? Let me turn off my music for a second. Sorry, guys. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Hopefully you can hear me better. Maybe not. I'm not sure. Sorry, guys. Is this better? Hello, hello. Let's do this. Actually, let me set up NVIDIA Broadcast in a minute. I mean, if I have a graphics card, I should use it, right? I think it's pretty cool. Let's use noise removal. Proceed. I'm not gonna do studio voice because that's kind of trash. Okay, hopefully you think this is better. If it's not, womp womp. Sorry, guys. I think NVIDIA is actually really good because I tried Studio Mic. Oh my gosh, their mic was insane. Hope you can't hear my music because that would be a little bad, especially since. No, I'm save it. Okay. Okay, hopefully now it's good. Specify a default value for a column by inserting this. Whatever. You're using SQL functions, sysdate, user, whatever. Okay, whatever these random things are, the default option. Most of the time we'll be doing default option, no idea. Referencing table belonging to another user, so there's not any user. See, you should use that. Okay. I'm not understanding what EMP stands for, but I guess that's the way you access these tables. Okay. Frequently used data dictionary views. Select blank from user tables. Describes the tables you own by user. Okay. And then view distinctive objective views. Okay, I don't think this is useful at all, I'll be honest. If it is, let me know. But describes tables owned by the users. The second one, distinct objects types owned by the users. View tables, view synonyms. Here's a create table example. Let's take this in. I'll give you a second just to do that. While I just play around a little bit more with. Hopefully, let's see how this does. This will be kind of interesting because I'm not going to be looking at you, but I think NVIDIA is going to make me look at you. So let me know how it goes. Should I do noise reduction? Let's go. And you want to do auto frame too? Ooh. Ooh. Never mind, I'm off the frame. Let's not do that. I think that would be pretty chill. High GPU load. This is also a little better. Ooh. I don't know, I'll turn this off because I don't feel like it. No one cares about that. So I'll leave it like that. Let me know. It's gonna cause us to go like crazy, but yeah. Starting at a version 11G, Oracle allows virtual columns to be created. Here's an example of creating this app manager. Yo, this is actually so funny because I'm like not even close to looking at you. Look at my other screen and it's making me look at you. You can see that, right? That's insane. Okay, whatever. It's kind of weird, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna turn that off. Sorry, guys. Honestly, you guys are about to make fun of me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Why is it? I turned it off. Why are you making me pay? GPU. GPU utilization should go down. Okay, so we only have 23 more slides. Let's lock in. Okay, viewing table structures we're seeing like this. Describes the table by doing describe. We already know that 12C allows hidden columns. So you can do create table test invisible. I guess the invisible columns will be useful during application migrations. Making new columns visible means they won't be seen by any existing, but still be referenced by any new applications, making online migrations easier. So I guess if you're like moving from a specific software to another software, in that case, it's more useful. I'm not sure how exactly useful it is. Guys, let me know, is this better or is this better? Mahogany, but like, yeah. Okay. So create tables and insert rows by combining create table as anything. Things change. Everything. 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 Sorry guys. I want to be a singer when I grow up. Let's hope I can make it up there. We'll see. Match the number of specified columns, the number of subsquare. And stuff. I feel I am cooked with you. If you understand that's good for you, bro, I'm like hella cooked. I'm uploading this because I need the practice. So creating a table using subsquare is pretty difficult. But here's one example shown here. And when we describe it again later, it's shown as this. Note that here we use the full word describe, while above when we use the word describe, we just use desk. You can use both. SQL or Oracle, especially about you can do both. So yeah, just luck with Oracle. You. We're waiting for that one. Okay. Accomplish during the alter statement. Use add clause to add a column. Blah, blah, blah. So you can add a column and a data type. Yeah. Alter, you can do that. I don't know if you can hear my fans, but they're hella loud. Damn. Okay. We have a new column being added. This is another like, type. You can do it like this. Yeah. If the column is wide, the data it already contains. If a column contains cannot be decreased. Interesting. So I'll drop in columns. Now to do this in what NumPy this. Since the drop, you can use drop column. No, it's pretty much the same. Change the name of the table. View. Be the owner. You can rename it. That's actually pretty useful. Truncate. What is truncate? Use all rows from that table. Releases all storage space used by that table. You can roll back when these truncate. Truncate is also a DDL. You know what a DDL is? I have no idea. If you remember, comment down below. Alternatively, you can use delete. Delete is a DML. Do a couple of DML. Roll back later. Great. How would you DDL over DML? Why would you not roll back versus roll back? Have like option least truncate versus delete. All data structures. If deleted when you drop a table. You drop a column, same thing. If you drop a table, you lose all the data. Wait, my video is a little bit slower than my speaking. I figured that out. It's kind of crazy. Okay. Is there any way of getting the table dropped back in the system? Previous the 10G started introducing a recycle bin drop can be covered later. Yay! Flashback command covers the table from the recycle bin. This is insane. This looks tough. When I purge to remove a table from the recycle bin, we'll just simply purge recycle bin, purge all table, all bin table, purge option available, or drop command. What happened to me? I feel like a legion. I need to lock in, bro. I just feel like Well, 5 months, 5 months. Okay, we can use a purge, remove table completely. Table will not be copied into the recycling bin. No, if created my table before you no longer have on my table. Yeah, see, dropping. Oh, so it's like, yo, I want this out forever. Like, there's no way I want this back. If you accidentally start a VS Code project and mess up, be like, this is trash. There's no way I'm gonna get back from this. Delete everything. And that's how you do it. It's like deleting a module. No longer use. You also add comments to a column by using comment statement. Comment on column, emp.en name is ename. Columns can be viewed through data dictionary. I'm gonna stop, bro. We'll about to just do it later. Check him. He's a great artist. Rest in peace. I know he's dead. But like, he's gonna meet me. I'm gonna be him. I'm not gonna die, but like, make music like him. You see that? You see that? Hopefully, my parents can see that, but that's a different discussion for another day. Comments can be viewed through data dictionary views. Okay, you can create table with create table summary. Columns can be contained in tables. Columns can be defined. Tables can contain up to 1,000 columns. Each column name must be unique. Yada yada yada. Only 1,000? Interesting. That was way more. Oh well. To delete all the rows in the table, you can use truncate table. Turn off all the tables, just say drop. You can also use delete icons because that's good. Oh, I see. So if you drop a column table, you just like delete everything. There's a clear reset. Truncate, I guess, is just like deletes all the data. Drop table can be used. Flashback table. Purge is in a drop table. Purge. Oh, here is everything. This is probably what we need. Oof, dang, we're done. That wasn't that bad. Okay, honestly, if you ask me to repeat what I just did, I need a lot of practice. So in the next video, we're gonna go over some assignments that I'm gonna be doing. Hopefully you enjoy those. Apologies, guys, for how if you learned something, please drop a like button. If you didn't learn something, please drop a like button. If you enjoyed me, please drop a like button. Yeah, I'm probably wasting your time, but I love you. I'm gonna go on the internet. I don't really care what people say. Cause I'm doing things I'm doing. I don't know what's going on.